The recognition rather than recall guideline is very similar to the previous guideline on error prevention. In fact, when we provide recognition rather than recall, we are taking a significant load off the user's cognitive capability to provide effective recognition rather than memorizing. We simply have to provide some form of preview to the intended functionality of use. In this example, which I believe most programmers can empathize with, is the use of IDE in coding. Let's say we have a particular syntax in mind which we wish to perform. All we have to do is to type in certain key characters and the IDE will automatically be able to suggest a possible syntax and statement that we attempt to key in. This will greatly help in terms of reducing our memory load, which in return prevent mistakes from happening. This is how Windows attempted to provide for a preview functionality in attempt to provide recognition rather than recall. Before the user chooses to commit to a certain window by doing a Windows plus tab, the users are allowed to have a quick preview of all the windows that the users are currently running. This is the mobile interpretation of this heuristic guideline. When users are using the Google Chrome on the mobile platform, they are presented with a multi-tab button. This button allows the user to preview all browsing windows before they select a particular window to expand in detail. However, in some versions of the Google Chrome on the mobile platform, they seem to have removed this functionality because they realize that this functionality can be a little intrusive on the user's experience. It actually depends on which version of the Android operating system. I believe on the raw versions of the Android, like on the Nexus or Google phones, they still have this functionality in place. On another interpretation of the heuristics guideline on recognition rather than recall, a tooltip can be considered providing users with the previewing functionality as well.